Welcome to Flash Tutorial Request 104. Custom Cursor. Going to start by opening a new FLA, selecting ActionScript 3, and we're going to call this layer Cross, C-R-O-S-S, Cross. And someone wanted to have a customized cursor instead of that regular arrow thing. Pick up the straight line tool right here and make a vertical line. Let's make that a little bit fatter. So pick your selection tool, click on it, open the properties panel, and let's make it 2 pixels. Okay. Get the crosshairs, right click, copy that. Right click, paste in place. Now over here there's this panel called Alignment Panel. If you don't have it docked somewhere, go under Window and find Alignment. It will open up, and we want to go to Transform, and here rotate 90 degrees. Click on there, 90 degrees, and enter, and there's my crosshairs for my my new cursor. Highlight that, go back to that alignment panel again, make sure this here is aligned to stage. Make sure there's a check mark here. This will align it to center horizontally, and this will align it vertically. Lock that layer, insert layer, call it Circle, C-I-R. Pick up your oval tool right here, and I'm seeing a rectangle, so I got to click on the right hand corner down here, click on that and select oval. I want black for my stroke, and I want no fill, so click here and click this square with the red line through it. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Select right here, hold your shift down and make a circle right there. Pick your selection tool up, click on that circle somewhere so it's highlighted. Open the alignment panel. Again, make sure this to line to stage is selected, and center that. While it's highlighted, get those crosshairs, right click, cut it. Lock that layer, unlock the cross layer, come up here, right click, paste in place. I gotta select that frame, right click, paste in place. There it is. That's going to be my new cursor. So this line here that I call circle, I'm going to call that ActionScript, AS. Now the cross layer, pick up your selection tool, highlight the whole thing, get somewhere on it, right click, convert it to a symbol. Make sure movie clip is selected in this drop down menu. Make sure we have that center right here selected, and let's call this cross, C-R-O-S-S, shift underscore MC. Copy that. Okay, open the properties panel, and there it is. It's a movie clip, and we got to give it an instance name. Paste that in for an instance name, cross underscore MC. You can lock that layer now. Select that frame one of the actions layer, open the actions panel. If you don't have an actions panel docked here, again, go under Window, find actions, and it'll open up. And type this code. It says mouse period hide, capital M, small h, that'll turn blue if it's spelt right, open close bracket semicolon. We want a stage event here, stage, S-T-A-G-E, turns blue, period. Add event listener, small a, capital E, capital L, that will turn blue if it's spelt right, open bracket. It's going to be a mouse event, capital M, capital E, that will turn blue, period. Mouse underscore move, all capitals uppercase, mouse underscore move, comma, follow, that's the name of the function I'm going to make, follow, F-O-L-L-O-W. You can call it anything you want as long as it doesn't change colors. Close bracket semicolon. And we're going to call that function up. Function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, turns purple. follow, that's the name we gave it. You can copy, follow, and paste it in. Open bracket, event, EVT. I think we can get away with just having the E here by itself. There. Try that. Colon, mouse event. You can copy this mouse event and paste it in. It's blue. Close bracket. There's an open curly bracket. And as you start typing this, you'll probably get this closed curly bracket come in. Cross, CROSS underscore MC, that's that movie clip we just made. Period, X, talking about its X coordinate, is equal to mouse X. Semicolon, small m, capital X here, that turns blue, as does this little x turn blue. Copy that, paste it in, change the little x to a little y, change the big X to a big Y, and if this closed curly bracket didn't come up, put it in. I'm just going to click here and format it. See if there's any obvious errors. I don't see any. When I test this out, you'll see a black square, and that black square is not going to appear when you do this, when you make your FLA. It didn't appear when I made my FLA, but when I render the program and make the video, it always comes up. I don't know how to get rid of it, but just ignore that black square in this video. And let's check this out for a minute. Test movie test. And there it is. Now you notice when I started, I'll do it again, test movie test, that my cursor's in the middle, and if I move my mouse on, it jumps there. So we don't want that to happen. So unlock that cross layer, highlight this cross, get those crosshairs, drag it off the scene. So now when we test it, it's not there, but wherever I bring it in, and notice it cannot go back off the screen. So there, you can make any kind of a cursor you want. Hope you learned something from this short tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.